Let's take a look now at the Reasoning with Representations of Functions study guide. The assignment begins with the learning goals and success criteria. If we scroll down, we can see the questions. So the first one says, which of the following letters represents 0, f of 0? So anytime we have a full coordinate, we know it's going to be the point on the line or on the graph. So we have 0, f of 0. So when f of 0, that's here. So we can see that at f of 0, we're at point E. So point E represents that. So this would be our answer. So we're going to go ahead and highlight it. And then we're going to use our highlighter tool here and make it any bright color. I'm going to make it light blue. Doesn't matter which color you pick, just make sure that it's some bright color. Then we'll go to the next one. Next one says, which of the following letters represents f of 1? So it is not a full coordinate, so we're looking for the dotted line that goes with it. So at f of 1, so we go where x is 1. And we can see that that dotted line is E. So we're going to go ahead and mark that as our answer. So we highlight it, use our highlighter, and change the color just like that. And we'll continue to do that for each of these as we answer all of the questions. Once you've completed all the questions, you can go to your answer key and check your work. So on the first one, we said that our answer was A, and we can see that that is correct. On the second one, we said our answer was B, and we can see that one is correct as well. So we can use this answer key to check all of our answers. Now, to make sure that we stay on track, I provided a schedule for you to follow. So if we look at this, it says that by the 28th of February, you should be able to complete questions 1 through 3 on function representations. By the 7th of March, you should be able to complete questions 4 through 5 on comparing functions. By the 8th, you should be able to complete questions 6 through 8 on function notations and periodic functions. By the 10th, you should be able to complete questions 9 through 11 on functions under operations part 1. And by the 10th, you should be able to complete questions 12 through 15 on functions under operations part 2. By the 15th of March, you should be able to complete questions 16 through 18 on functions under operations. Then by the 4th of April, you should be able to complete the products and quotients of functions, which is numbers 19 through 23. By the 7th, you should be able to complete questions 24 through 26 on composite functions. And by the 11th, you should be able to complete questions 23 through 30 on functions under operations part 3.